Segment 38. The idea of being a leader of leaders is now becoming more and more commonplace. Over history, it's been taught in the military and taught in some religious institutions, but now it's becoming much more commonplace in business. So one of the things a leader of leaders does is help create an organizational platform. The organizational platform for some software companies might be zero defects or zero mistakes or excellence. In other organizations, in nonprofits, it might be taking care of the individual, including all of their needs. So the idea of an organizational platform is the creation of a set of rules and embedding judgment and priorities into the set of policies that you're creating for your organization. If you ask people what is their mission statement in their company, most people wouldn't know, even in the world of nonprofits, or even the vision statement. But ideally, you would be able to create something that people can remember every time. What is your organizational platform? I'll never forget, I asked a gentleman who had worked for IBM for 17 years, and I said, what did you learn at IBM? He said, well, I really only learned two things, quality and customer service. That was a platform. I'm told at Nordstrom's, the customer relationship management